how to use Sequens AI to get 3 free content. So just head over to Sequens AI and then you can see this right here. Click on this Get 3 Free Contents. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this. So you just need to input in here your website. So here's my website right here. Just click on this Get 3 Free Contents and then this will scan your website. So we can see in here our product name, which is daily tutorials, business offers, competitive advantage, and the likes in here as well. So click on this next step once you're done with that, and then just put in here content output language. For me, I'll just choose English and the tone of voice will be professional. Now click on next, and then from here you can see your custom content. Get insert contents right here. You can drag and drop PDF or also provide in here an actual URL that you can put in order to insert market studies for blog posts. So in here, just head over and add contents if you want to. I have now added that. Now we have in here this insights. So you can put in here a content topic request, but take note this is only optional. So once you're done with that, click on this launch right here, and then from in there, it will ask you to check out your Gmail or email and get your account for free. So once you have done that, you can actually get in here 3 free content. So that's how you use Sequens AI to get 3 free contents. Hope we helped.